Solving this problem is super easy using a max heap, because in a max heap, the root node always holds the largest value. So if you want to find, let's say, the third largest value in this array, we simply have to add all these values to a max heap. Then we'll execute the delete operation twice. This will remove the two largest values, and then we'll inspect the root node. What we have in the root will be the third largest value. So here in the max heap class, I'm going to add a new method, public static integer get kth largest. We give it an array and the k parameter. Now, here we need to create a heap object, new heap, and then insert all the items in this array into this heap. So a for each loop for var number in the array. We call heap.insert and give it this number. Now we need to execute the delete operation k minus 1 times. So if you want to get the third largest value, we have to execute the delete operation twice. So for I equals 0, as long as it's less than k minus 1, we increment it, and in each iteration we call heap.remove. Finally, we should return the value of the root node, which is the maximum value. But here we don't have a method like max. So let's go back to the heap class, add a new method here, public integer max. Here we return items of 0, the value of the root node. Now, what if our heap is empty? Then we should throw an exception, because this is not a valid operation for an empty heap. So if this heap is empty, we throw a new illegal state exception. Okay? Now back in the max heap, finally we'll return heap.max. Let's test our implementation. So back in the main class, let's do a print line and call max heap that get kth largest. We give it our numbers array, and let me put this on a new line. That's better. Let's get the first largest number. So we should get 8. Beautiful. What if we pass 2 here? We get 5. Beautiful. What if we pass 3? We get 4. So our algorithm is working properly. Now let's look at the edge cases. What if we pass 0? We get 8, but I think it's better to throw an illegal argument exception, because the value that we pass here should be in the right range. If our array has 5 items, we cannot ask for the 6th or the 10th largest value. By the same token, it doesn't make sense to pass 0 here. So back in the max heap, we need to validate our argument like this. If k is less than 1 or greater than array.length, then we're going to throw a new illegal argument exception. That is better. Now back in the main class, when we run our program, we get an illegal argument exception. Beautiful. Here we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 items. What if we ask for the 7th largest item? We should get another exception. There you go. What if we ask for the 6th largest item? We get 1. So everything is working properly.